Ayan guys ha, yan ang aming daanan guys. So, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, lumalakas na yung baha guys. Oh. Napakadelikado yung daanan namin guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Dito na yung tubig guys. Oh. Oh, kita nyo yan guys, oh. Ayun tubig, oh, malakas guys. Pupunta doon guys. Sobrang delikado talaga guys, oh. Ito lang yung daanan namin guys. Oh. May baha guys. Oh. Ito lang yung daanan namin guys. Oh. May baha na naman guys. Oh. Mabuti na lang guys. Hindi malakas. Pag malakas kasi hindi kami makatawid, oh. Andyan guys, oh. Oh, yan lang daanan namin guys. Malapit na siyang maabot ng baha. Oh. Galing yan sa bundok guys, oh. Galing yan dyan guys. At dito pa guys, oh. Oh, dito pa guys daanan namin. Oh. Oh, tatawid pa kami ulit dito guys. Oh, dito guys, oh. Nanay guys. Oh, tatawid pa kami dito guys. Wala nang tulay dito guys. Ha? Napakahirap talaga guys, oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Daanan guys. Oh, yan guys, ha. Dito yan guys sa Carmen Jimenez Misamis Occidental guys. Tatawid na siya guys. Okay, thank you for watching guys.